Hey guys, it's me from the Jas Oberoi Group, and today I'm at our newest listing, 3135 and 3137 at 267 A Street. So this duplex sits on 6,300 square foot of land, and each half has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms with a single car garage. So this entire duplex has been fully renovated. We're talking new quartz countertops, new cabinets, new lighting fixtures, new paint, new flooring, and stainless steel appliances. And the best thing about this duplex is that there's no strata fees. So this home is perfect for our growing family. We're talking 5-minute drive to an elementary school, a middle school, and a high school. Along with that, we've got a bunch of restaurants nearby. We've got gas stations, we've got grocery stores, and a bunch of coffee shops are gonna make your morning commute very easy as well. So this home has a private fenced yard, plenty of room for parking, and it's a very safe neighborhood for children. At this point, I think this may be your guys' perfect home. So if you have any questions, give us a call, or you guys can always shoot us a DM as well. Bye guys.